Howdy guys, how you doing? Hope everyone's doing well. On this video we're going to be doing a gun review on Walcom's new HTE Slim Kombat Killer. Now this gun looks unreal. It's got a pretty cool graphic over the gun. It's got, if you're into rifles and guns like I am, this gun is going to be right up your alley. So I've got the gun here. So as you can see, we've got bullets going up the handle grip of the gun. It's got skulls over the trigger. This gun looks pretty rad. So on the other side we've got a camouflage pattern which also looks pretty rad, and we've also got almost like the Punisher's skull up next to the, just underneath the pot there. But yeah, overall the gun looks really great. It comes with a analog air regulator, which I quite like. It saves putting like your own on there and stuff. You actually get one with the gun. Now if you guys aren't a big fan of the camouflage, and I know some of you might not be, there is also a black version as well, and I've got that one right here as well. I won't be spraying this one, but I just thought I'd show you guys that look, there are other colors available. But yeah, so this is obviously not the limited edition one. This is just your standard Slim Kombat in 1.3. Also comes with the air rag and stuff like that. Also comes in a nice hard box as well for storage. And look, honestly, that's one thing that I really love about Walcom guns. They all come in a hard storage box, and I think that's really cool. Really cool. I'll get my words out. So yeah, so I'll throw some footage up on the screen right now of me opening up the box the other day. And yeah, so you get a gun spanner, you get gun lubricant, a rebuilding kit, some in-pot filters, 680cc pot, a gun spanner, and the gun's made out of Kevlar and magnesium, weighs 380 grams. But yeah, that's pretty much all the little technical information that I can really give. I guess let's mix up some colors. Because it's that time of year, it's getting up to Christmas time now. I thought, why not do some Christmassy sort of colors? We've got Smash Metal Metallic Base Coat, which is a really coarse metallic. And we've also got Apple Red Candy and Emerald Green Candy as well. So we're going to go mask up this guard in a minute. We'll start applying our wet and wet surfacer down. I'm going to do everything with this Slim Kombat Killer. We'll put some paper up on the wall. I'll show you what the fan's like and stuff like that, how I set the gun up to spray candies, to spray base coat, to spray clear. It's relatively easy, really easy to follow. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. Let's get into it right now. What I think of the Slim Kombat Killer by Walcom in 1.3, I love it. I love the fact that it comes in a 1.3 and other setup kits are available. I love that it comes with an air reg with a protective case on it, which you can replace if this gets covered in paint, so you can keep protecting that air reg. I love the air cap, high atomization air cap in 1.3, comes off with a quarter of a turn. Look at that, straight back on. Love the graphics. For me, as I was saying earlier, possibly, I love the graphics on it, the camo and the bullets. It's a really great gun. I think for the price point, it's a great all-rounder. If you want to be painting your sealers, base or clear or even candies, this gun is going to tick all those boxes. You're not going to have any dramas with it. And for the price point of around 450 bucks, perfect gun. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video there. Hope you've all enjoyed this review and a bit of a demo. You guys will take it easy. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.